Hey guys. So today is Thursday and it's November 7th. My husband and I just went out to dinner, and that's what's so great about being an empty nester is we just go whenever we want. But what I was waiting for today came in, which is my Indie Stitch monthly sewing kit. This is my first one. I bought one when I registered for this. I bought an old one. It was one of the things that brought me to it was I was very interested in making a bomber jacket. And a couple of months ago, they had a bomber one, and so they still were selling those. So I bought one. I have it. I'm working on it this weekend. But this is the first one I actually ordered. So I'm excited to see what's in the box. I know it's pants, and I asked for, I think it was a dark green corduroy fabric for the pants. I'm hoping that's what I got. We'll see. I think my second choice was either black or red, and I can't remember which one, to be honest. So we'll see what's in here. This is already a bigger box than what they sent for the other one. So let's see what's in here. Maybe there's just another box inside of it. I don't know. These, though, will definitely be, I don't know, this may have to be an after Thanksgiving thing. Oh, I got the green. Because, like I said, this weekend I'm working on the bomber jacket. And then next week I'm going to start sewing while I'm at school for The Little Mermaid, which is my 6th grade show. It's not till March, but it'll get here fast. So there's 24 kids in the show. I have lots of costumes to make, so I'm going to get started on that next week at school. But at home, I might have time to pull these out. But I know that I have to make a dress. We're going to Cancun for a wedding, and I want to make a dress for that. I had bought a dress this summer, like when everything was closing out, and I got it for like $10, like it was on closeout. But I've lost over 25 pounds now, and it's just, I'm swimming in it. And the way it's constructed, it would be really difficult to take up. And I don't know if I want to do that. So I was like, I have lots of fabric that I could make a pretty dress with. So that may be actually my project starting sometime next week. And by next weekend, hopefully have it finished and ready to wear for the wedding. And so that's exciting. All right, so let's get into this. Okay, first off, we have the card here, the Padget pleated trousers. You can download your pattern, but I think there's also one in here. So I'm very excited about this. I also got this fabric. It is a green stretch corduroy. You see how soft it is? It's very soft. Let me get it out of here so you guys can kind of see. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. It's like one of those very thin corduroys. Wow, I like it. I know I need to wash it first. It even has washing instructions in here. So let's see what else we have in this box. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. It looks like LED lights. Is that what this is? Let's see, there's elastic for my project, the matching thread, and some new needles, which is fantastic. Yeah. And these are my 2 other bonus items. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not sure what these are. Let's see if they're on the card. Sewing machine LED light strip. What? Brighten your sewing area with this USB LED strip light. Designed for clarity and ease. Plug into any USB port to enhance visibility. All right, so we'll give this a try later. I have to have lots of light in here because the lighting in here is not great. So I always am adding lights. So we'll see how this works out. And then, oh look, a cute little travel sewing kit. I was supposed to need these, and I've had them, and then I can't figure out what I did with them. Okay, are you taped up? Or are you just hard to open? Okay. There it is. Oh, that's cute. Look. It's got cute little scissors, tweezers, some pins, a little tiny pin cushion, some snaps and buttons, needles, thread, safety pin. I like it. It's really, really cute. Yeah, this may travel with me. This is fantastic. Okay. And of course, it does have the pattern already printed for you, which I'm excited about as well. I'll have to look at the sizing on this again to see what size to make. And then again, right as I make it, probably look at my measurements too. Yes, because every week it kind of changes a little bit. And I'm not really sure what to do all the time. It is telling you about the December project, which I saw on Instagram the other day. The Alley sweatshirt. Again, I'm not a huge sweatshirt girl, but we'll see. Maybe the fabric will be lightweight enough that I like it. We'll see. And then there's a way to download my pattern on Petite Stitchery. So I'll probably go look at that again for sizing and decide what to do. So overall, I'm really happy. I really like this fabric. It's really nice. I don't know how many yards there is of this, but yeah, it doesn't say. I'll have to measure it later and find out, but it's a nice stretch fabric. I was really happy with the fabric I got with the bomber jacket too. Like I said, this weekend I'll be working on that, so I'll keep everybody updated. It says they have a community sew-along. There's a Facebook group where they sew along November 18th through the 22nd. That is right before I leave for Cancun. We'll see if I have my dress ready. If I do, maybe I'll jump into this and see where that's at. So, yeah, I'm happy about this, and I'm happy about my bonus items, and we'll see what it turns into. So have a great Thursday, and I'll see you this weekend. Do something great today.